Now I would like to begin with you with interesting topic linear inequalities. As a class 6 student is very much aware about the linear equations. We take the help of linear equations in solving the different questions. If I write one of the linear equation in one variable as 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Here variable is only one, that variable is x, 2 is the coefficient, minus 5 and 3 are the constants. So if I ask you to solve, your answer in few seconds will be x is equals to 4 is only one of the value which will satisfy this set, this equation, linear equation 2x minus 5 is equals to 3. Now problem is that how to convert one of the linear equation in the linear inequality. To convert, we have to see it is 2x minus 5. If it is not equal to 3, suppose it is greater than or equal to 3. Then what will happen? As this equality sign converted in the sign of inequality, so this become linear inequality. To solve it, we will say 2x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 5. There are two approaches. First is that adding 5 both sides to cancel this minus 5 or transfer this minus 5 from left side to right side. This become 3 plus 5. This become 2x is greater than or equal to 8, or we can say x is greater than or equal to 4. So solution set of this linear inequality become 4 than infinity. That's why what we can say, every real number from 4 to infinity is the solution of this linear inequality. Number one. Secondly, I would like to tell you that if the sign is bit changed, if it is written like 2x minus 5 is greater than 3. In place of writing greater than or equal to 3, a minor change is made. Still it is linear inequation. And the solution of this linear equation will be x is greater than 4. And if this solution is presented in this shape, it will be open bracket 4 to infinity. I have used here closed bracket. Reason being 4 is also a solution, but in case of the open bracket, we say 4 is not solution, but every real number greater than 4 is its solution. Now the question is coming that in place of greater than equal to 3, if it is 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 3, then solution will be x is less than or equal to 4. And in this situation, answer will be from minus infinity to 4. 4 is the value which is a solution set. Minus infinity is not. Here plus infinity is not at both places. Reason being infinity is not defined. So we always take an open bracket here. Now in place of this less than or equal to, if sign is of only less than, that is what? 2x minus 5 is less than 3. In this situation, it will be 2x is less than 8, or we can say x is less than 4. So what conclusion has been drawn? That open bracket at 4 and all values less to 8 are the solution.